Welcome to 125 Wileys Lane, located in Pasadena, Maryland, where the perfect blend of comfort, style, and community awaits you. This completely renovated detached single-family home offers not just a place to live, but a lifestyle to experience. As you step inside this charming residence, you'll immediately notice the attention to detail and modern upgrades that have been thoughtfully incorporated throughout. The heart of this home lies in its newly renovated kitchen, featuring a spacious island with elegant leather granite countertops and brand new stainless steel appliances. Picture yourself preparing delicious meals while enjoying the company of loved ones in this inviting space. The primary bedroom is a true sanctuary, complete with an ensuite bathroom that boasts a beautifully tiled shower and tub. Relax and unwind after a long day knowing that every comfort has been considered. Head downstairs to discover a spacious recreational area, complete with a wood-burning fireplace. This versatile space also features a convenient half bath, laundry closet, wet bar, a fourth bedroom, and ample storage, providing endless possibilities for relaxation and entertainment. Situated on a large flat lot spanning over half an acre, this property offers endless possibilities for outdoor enjoyment. Step out onto the brand new deck and take in the picturesque views of the expansive backyard. But the true gem of this community lies in its amenities. Long Point is a water-oriented neighborhood with 6 private beaches and a boat ramp. Spend your weekends exploring the Chesapeake Bay or simply bask in the serenity of the water's edge. Don't miss out on the nearby attractions, with Downs Park just moments away. Enjoy a variety of outdoor activities from waterfront concerts to fishing. Make the most of the miles of walking and biking trails, or let your furry friend play at the designated dog beach. 125 Wileys Lane is more than just a home, it's an invitation to a vibrant and fulfilling lifestyle. Don't miss your opportunity to experience all that this remarkable property and community has to offer.